Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Renee. How you doing today? So today is a special video because I am deciding to do a painting series here and there, everywhere between my other videos. And so in this video I'm going to be painting something simple to kind of get my feet wet a little bit, and that is a hummingbird. So we're going to get started in that. A little history about my painting skills. I always loved to paint. When I was younger, I always painted. My mom always bought me paints. Every time she went to the grocery store or some kind of store, she would consistently bring me back paint, because she was really she was kind of like an artist too, so she was trying to encourage me to continue in my art. And I even went to school in college and took some classes. Even though I graduated as a graphic designer, I did take some classes in printmaking and painting, and in some of the other art classes that they had at the. And I enjoyed it all. I especially like painting with oil. And I continued to paint. Then when I had children, I really couldn't do the oils like I wanted to, so I had to switch it to acrylics. And then I stopped painting altogether. So, because of some health reasons, I've been talking to you guys lately about my health, and I'm taking some new medication. According to my doctor, they gave me some new medication to take, and it's kind of hard with the medicine in terms of how it's affected me, and so needing some relaxing moments. And so my husband suggested I get back into painting like I used to. And so this is what this attempt is. This attempt to find peace and some kind of therapeutic way to express myself using paint. So some of the things that I was told was to try to get enough sleep, have a well restful night, and to try to de-stress. As you guys know, I have 3 kiddos. They are always at home. I am with them majority of the time, and I love them. I teach them. I am homeschooling all 3 of them, and I love to be with them. But at the same time, we all know that children can sometimes be stressful. So painting is a way to free your mind from chores, to-do lists, assignments, bickering. You know, it's just a way to be free from all that and just calm yourself and put your thoughts on creating something beautiful. And if you like to, you can grab a canvas from your local art store and some acrylic paint, some brushes, and you can just paint with me. We can paint together on Saturday for about an hour. That would be awesome. I am looking at an image, so I'm painting from an image, an actual picture of a hummingbird. So why hummingbird? When I first moved to this house, which is about 3 years ago, moved into this house, I was at my desk and looking out the window, and I seen the tiniest little hummingbird pass by the window. And I was like, I've never seen a hummingbird before, and I was so amazed at it, just watching it. I was like, that would be something awesome to paint. Even back then, I haven't even painted it yet, and I was just thinking that would be awesome to paint a beautiful hummingbird because it was so cute. It was so tiny, the tiniest little hummingbird. It was just so cute. You gotta, I don't know anybody who just hates hummingbirds, but it was just the cutest little thing ever. Like, got to paint a hummingbird because it's a fascinating creature. Is it a bee? Is it a bird? It's one of those, it's like a combination of both a bee and a bird. It's so cute. And so, again, that's the reason why I decided to paint a hummingbird. Now the hummingbird that I seen in my window, it was brown. It wasn't very colorful. But as I Googled a lot of hummingbirds, I seen that some of them are very bright and colorful. And the only really color that I have, I'm painting with what I have. And in terms of colors, and the only colors that I currently have right now are some neutrals, some black and white, and a gray, and blue. So I decided to choose the hummingbird that was blue and white and gray. So, because those are the colors I have. So yeah. I had to borrow some of Yana's paint because she's a painter too. I had to borrow some of her paint to create green, and we all know that blue and yellow makes green, and so that's how I got the colors for the tree, the background. So I wanted to cause a little more contrast in this painting by allowing a spotlight almost on the hummingbird and darken the corners of the piece to kind of bring the focus point in the center of the hummingbird. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so good to do this, and I'm hoping that you guys can join me on the next time that I paint live. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.